This video is about using a USB stick with ArcaOS running inside a VirtualBox session. So I'm going to show you the use of this USB stick. First I'm going to start with a Memorex USB stick, and I'm going to plug that in. And you'll see very shortly Linux recognizes it, and that means that it's not recognized over at the OS2 system. So the solution to that is to go to the VirtualBox settings, and the VirtualBox settings you open this way and select the USB. Now, we've previously configured this system to have the right USB driver for the system. This is a USB 3 system, and we have some sticks already recognized, but we're going to add this one. So you go to the icon with a plus sign, click on that, and it generates a list of all the USB devices that are available, and we're going to pick that Memorex flash drive. Okay, now we're going to edit that piece with the little gear on it, and take the port number and erase that. A blank matches anything, so that you can stick this stick into any port and it will be recognized. So I close that. Now we've got the Memorex in there, and I say OK to save the settings and close the settings. Now I'm going to go back to File Manager, and I'm going to eject that stick. Okay, it's ejected and we can safely unplug it. Now I'm going to plug it back in. And now you see that it's recognized under OS2. And if I click on the drives, there it is with the removable icon. And if I open drive F, I get an error because it's formatted the Linux file system, which OS2 doesn't recognize. All right, well, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.